Okay, so now let's talk a little bit more about adding your content. Okay, and there are different ways of structuring your posts and your videos. So what you can do is just watch a few review videos and also take a look at a few review blogs, see how they structure their posts so you can get ideas. But for here, let me just give you some pointers for now that could lead you along the way and help you get started, okay? You're going to want to get a disclaimer, privacy policy, terms and conditions, and sitemap pages, and any other pages you can add so that Google will notice that, your site is not just a one-page site, okay? Because the more pages you have, the more likely you're going to rank high in the search engines. Because if you're just a one-page website, people do get penalized for that. Okay, and when you create your blog posts, try to space them out every few days. Okay, the first blog post can just be an introduction. Just give a brief info about the product. You could also use some of the product information that's on the JV page and also the images that are provided to the affiliates. Okay, you could also talk about the vendors, the product category, the official website, and the price. Okay, and in another post, you can mention the features of the product. And in other posts, you can also talk about other related topics that you can find about the product to get people interested. And hopefully, along the way, you're trying to collect email addresses so that when it does launch, you can notify them about it. But again, it's not necessary, but highly recommended. Okay. Now, for the main review, you're going to want to post this on the day before or on the day of the launch. Okay, you're going to summarize all your key points and you're going to give an overall verdict. You're going to add other information that you didn't provide before. You're going to give more of your opinions. Also, try to include the buy now button and your affiliate links throughout the review. And also try to offer a related bonus if you can. Okay, and optionally, you could use free plugins that allow you to create review boxes that display a score out of 5 and that list the pros and cons of the product. Okay, and also another option for you is to interview the product creator on Skype and post it on YouTube and on your site.